Hi guys, today we have a new guest. He's Raphael. He's my friend from school. Hi guys, my name is Raphael. We will be doing a small challenge. We're gonna draw a Spiderman, and then when we're finished, we're gonna take 3 colors and color it in. Without wasting any moment, let's start the video. Now the fun part begins. So first, now we will close our eyes, and then we're gonna pick 3 colors, and then with those we're gonna color it. So first we're gonna decide whoever will choose first. So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins will choose first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won! I'm gonna pick first. Okay. Wait! Let me just try. Okay.
Hey, you're looking!
And then this. What? Is this correct?
Take any color.
You look suspicious. So I picked.
You're looking.
No, I'm not.
You even said you're looking suspicious. Take one. Take 2. I'm gonna take for you the next one.
No. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I know. You were looking.
No, I wasn't.
Okay. That's my turn. Shuffle.
No, I'm gonna shuffle it. I'm gonna shuffle it, my brother.
I'm not your brother.
Okay. Yeah, shuffle. Just pick a color. Okay.
Orange.
Yeah. It is good. The best. Hey, you're looking. Oh, the best color ever. Okay.
Oh,
So we have got our color. So now we're gonna color it.